space.
Do y'all know anything about this building?
The Oddfellows building has been one of those landmark buildings in downtown Laurel.
The building was built in 1905, but the Oddfellows bought it in 1932.
The Oddfellows is a philanthropic organization, and they've been around since the 1700s, and it started in London. They had their monthly meetings in the Oddfellows building.
The building is just this architectural masterpiece.
Whoa. Isn't this awesome? We're gonna give Ben and Erin $350,000. We're all in on this one and just can't wait to see what the end product is gonna be.
You bought a basketball gym, basically.
Absolutely.
A basketball gym and a ballroom.
For us, it would be a huge challenge. For Ben and Erin, there will be no challenges, I'm sure.
I'm intimidated, to
Why?
tell you the truth.
Because of the size.
That's our challenge here.
That is the biggest challenge. You already have a beautiful space. How do you make it feel like a home and not like a gymnasium? All right, the Oddfellows building. Upstairs, 5,000 square feet. One office that we're gonna call a bedroom, 2 half baths, 1 stage, 1 ballroom, 1 pool hall, 1 commercial kitchen.
It's huge.
All right, what do you love about it?
The windows, and we love the stage.
Yeah.
And of course, the tall ceilings are fabulous.
I mean, is this 16?
It's right at 1510.
Do you know if this is a skylight?
That's what I thought.
Right.
But I believe that's where they used to have the attic fan.
We would love a skylight.
That
We
look
would
great.
too.
Wouldn't that be beautiful?
That would look good.
How do you see yourself living in this?
You're going to show us.
But if you're asking about the us time, definitely a really cool kitchen. One of our favorite things is just have coffee together in the morning. And really, because we have 4 kids, somewhere to have family meals would be very important to us. This is really a neat place, and we'd love having you guys, because I'm going, yeah, okay, I like it, but I don't know what to do with it.
We have a plan.
Paint them a picture.
First of all, the floors are incredible.
So we'd want to keep and refinish those, but paint everything else, even the ceiling.
To the left, the dining area, huge dinner table.
Oh, yes.
Lots of chairs. We're thinking living room here in the center. And it would have to have massive furniture. We have an anchor point between these windows that I think would be a great spot for a fireplace. So we could give you an electric insert so you wouldn't need a chimney or anything. Then the kitchen. The kitchen is what I'm excited about.
And I'm thinking we go charcoal and white.
On this wall, you could have so much counter space and storage. The refrigerator to the right, down this direction.
Okay.
Your range and your hood vent. And I think 16 feet would probably be a good size for your island. Your sink built in.
Oh, yeah.
With huge light fixtures.
And design-wise, we're really gonna lean into that high-end, glamorous luxury look that you love.
I love it.
This is the thing that I love for a bedroom. The ceilings are a little bit more human height. That makes it feel a little bit cozier. But the big change is you need a bathroom.
We definitely will need a bathroom.
Yes, there's not one. So let's talk about that.
This used to be the Oddfellows kitchen, so
How do we make this a bathroom? First things first, let's lose this wall
Yes, I was
Agreed.
wondering about that.
and make a new one. You would enter the bathroom through a door right about here. And
Okay.
I'm standing in a huge double shower head walk-in shower.
Oh, yes.
Good.
And then there's a toilet tucked away behind the wall of the shower over here for some
Okay.
privacy. And then a really big double vanity
Excellent.
over on this wall.
That would be
And you
great.
could have a big soaker tub under the windows there, and then we lose that door in the corner because that would be a wall between this bathroom and a guest bedroom. Oh, well, that's all we needed. This feels like a really sad little demo with no help. Like, just us. It's not really demo today. I mean, we're gonna take a wall down.
When it's that time,
So this is the old heave-ho.
ready?
Yeah?
We're just gonna. Here it goes. So the goal for today is,
Where did this come from?
it was on the stage. What do you think?
That is so cool. And
And this happened so fast.
We are walling up thrower.
Well,
We are throwing up some walls.
that's a better way of putting it, yes.
Framing went so fast because we're pretty much building a new building. We're not having to tie into something that's already there. Plumbing is happening, electrical's happening, HVAC is going in. So we're, finally focusing on making this a place you'd want to live.
Look, the sheetrock is totally done. This is the first time you can see what this one massive room has become now that it's divided into some still massive rooms.
Yeah. What do you think?
It is flipping awesome.
Right.
Oh, it's gonna be something else.
Oh. Painters are here, they're prepping. They're getting all the cabinets ready for paint.
The kitchen cabinets are being painted charcoal black. The ceiling is too. All of our ductwork. We just want the ceiling to kind of disappear. And then everything else is white. That's just her style. That's what she wants. She wants this loft to be glamorous. Okay, walk me through what's gonna happen here. How can you get that up there? This is gonna be one of our most nerve-wracking countertop installs.
Maybe the most intense moment in hometown history.
Ooh!
See, it's picking the back wheels up.
That's how heavy those countertops are? We also have a thunderstorm that's coming. The sky looks really ominous about all of this right now. They got very wiggly that time.
It looks like it's gonna be right.
Perfect.
Way to go, Mike!
All of the stone is here. We have countertops, we have our fireplace, we have our sink vanities. Here it comes.
This is a very dramatic design everywhere. Black and white for a color palette, nothing is more dramatic than that. Everything is elevated. Everything is bigger and grander than anything we've ever done before. It just got real for me.
We've got a lot of black and white going on in the loft. And then these are gonna be that warmth that's gonna be so rich. It's crazy. We've been here throughout the entire transformation. We've seen this as it happened, but then it got cleaned up. All of the furniture got moved in, and it's just stunning.
It will never not surprise me how grand and how special and beautiful it is.
And that's not even taking into account the way it looked before, to know where it came from and what it was and the history here. And it's incredible.
Y'all come on in. Come check this out.
Oh my gosh. Unbelievable.
Check it out. That is awesome.
The light fixture is fabulous. I love the gold.
That is
I love
wonderful.
all the molding. It's just unbelievable.
Oh, and look at the floors.
Do you feel like you're in Laurel, Mississippi?
No, this is just crazy.
We wanted to infuse
wow.
everything we did with a little bit of glamour. So that is very much your style.
Yes.
Everything about this place was about making it glamorous, making it to scale.
Look at this. It is awesome,
The
guys.
mantle is just simple and gorgeous and elegant.
That
I
is
just
beautiful.
Love it.
Wow.
Love it.
I'm really going. This is not the same spot. And the number of lights that are in here now, that's what it would take for a room this size. It just
Yep.
brightens everything up.
Let's
Beautiful.
talk about your huge kitchen.
Oh my God.
The backsplash is
fabulous.
Oh, that is awesome.
gorgeous.
I had never used a towel like this before that had the little gold bars.
Yes.
It turned out perfect.
It looks
great.
like 3D.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little glamorous, and this is the biggest island
Beautiful.
Oh,
Definitely.
my
that we have ever
God.
constructed for
Crazy.
sure.
I can see that. You could live on this island.
Yeah, you
Look how
could.
big this thing is.
This is what was so challenging about your house is
Oh, my goodness.
we've just never had rooms with this scale. We could not find a light fixture where the scale was right and the style was right and the price was right. So we made this light fixture with Jeremy Tomley. He blew every single one of those. We helped. We helped.
Don't get, come on now.
That is just gorgeous.
I like the effervescence of it. You are a bubbly person.
Yes.
You know? And then you got to learn to
That's
love
true.
cooking. Come check this
Oh, my
range
goodness.
out. This is the
Oh, my
biggest range
goodness.
I've ever seen.
Oh, wow. Look at
great.
this.
It'll keep everything so neat.
Then
Yeah.
your laundry room's right there. And through that door, a massive walk-in closet.
Oh, wow. This is
Oh, look at this.
fabulous.
This was another huge challenge with your houses. This was basically just a massive open room
Right.
and giving you places to put your stuff. You gotta live here. You need a place to put the cereal
Exactly.
boxes and the dirty laundry and
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at this.
Oh, it is
Wow.
fabulous.
Oh, my God. The skylight. Look. Oh, look
I
at
missed
that.
This is crazy.
it's
It is
super
so-
crazy.
It really is.
Crazy.
It's the most unique home we have ever
Wow. Look
ever
at this.
been a part of.
It's livable. I mean, I was wondering how it was going to be livable. And it is.
And then all the coolest things about this apartment, it came from the stage.
Yeah. Oh,
Our design
Yes.
cues all came from that millwork. Those original tulip lights are so unique. We
Yeah.
had to keep them because that is what honors the history of this ballroom.
oh, look at the way they painted it and
painting.
It's
everything.
a mural. It's wallpaper.
I
That's
love
wallpaper?
that.
Yes, it's from my collection, but I chose that one for you because it made me think of your time on the farm.
There's.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
It's not a pool hall anymore.
My God.
Oh, my gosh. I
It is
love
really
I
is.
love the
It's
colors.
amazing. What a transition from a pool hall to this.
Yeah.
This is fabulous.
I love it.
This bathroom, though, y'all.
Oh, I can't
the
wait.
bathroom.
You're gonna freak out.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Look at the shower. 2 shower heads.
Oh, my gosh.
Yes.
Yes.
I love it.
And look at the floor in here.
I
That
liked
is
it because
really
I
cool.
hadn't ever used a towel like that before.
Well, that is really unique.
Did you ever imagine that this pool hall could be such a elegant and refined
Oh my.
space?
This
No.
is wonderful.
No, I
Look at
absolutely
this.
love it.
This is the most unique house in Laurel, Mississippi. 100%.
How-
Thank you. We're so
how many of them-
excited about it.
How many of them have their own dance floor? That's got it. You got it.
Exactly.
This is the only one
to
I've ever
practice a
been
little
in.
bit.